Hi, good morning. What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to invite you in this space first. It's a morning. It's on 28th of December 2021. I've decided I want to do some cleaning, like some weeding outside my house. The space looks good when there is something neat, but now it looks like a farm, like a deserted farm. So why not do this cleaning together? And before I forget, I want first to say thank you so much for you guys, for the support you've given me. Thank you so much for the love you've given me. And thank you so much for the 7,000 subscribers. It is not easy to start a channel and it grows organically without looking for without looking for people to subscribe in your channel. But just your work is to put the video out there and people get to relate with it. Thank you so much. I'm so humbled and I'm so grateful for the support. Also, thank you so much for the other channel. We have another channel, Mokazi Fitness channel. Also, thank you so much for the 10,000 subscribers. You guys, you've been amazing to us. Thank you for the support. There are people who follow me and they follow him. There are people who follow me only. And if you follow me only, kindly go and follow him also for the good content, for the good exercises he gives you. Don't wait until you're sick. No, that's when you start looking for something to do. So yeah, go and follow him out. Go check the amazing fitness challenges, fitness exercises he's giving you guys, and keep shape. This is 2022. We are going to, and for those who only follow him, maybe you can follow his family and get to know what we do. Yeah, or if he knows how to cook or anything. Yeah guys, so thank you so much. We appreciate, down from our heart. We are humbled, and let's continue supporting each other. Yeah, so let's do the farming and then we'll continue from there. That's how my farm looks like. So untidy. Yeah, you see, so untidy. And this is the front part of my door. Imagine having such a compound. It's so untidy. So the people who do take care of the fencing, the estate thing, they're doing it today. They're slashing and trimming the fences, yeah. And also on this other side, I think I need to pull out these vegetables, the sukuma wiki, the kales. People ask me, Pauline, you planted these things and you don't eat them. Why? The reason why I'm not eating these kales, not that they are bad, not that they're poisonous, as you can see, but I feel they're hard. Have you ever tried cooking a veg and then it doesn't give you the taste or the vibe that you want? You feel that you're eating leaves? This is what I have here now. Yeah, so I feel I want to pull them out, or maybe I can pick the small ones, the ones that have not grown, and maybe I can try, maybe prepare them for lunch or for dinner. So let's do this cleaning today.
We're the only one.
and then I can collect the green grasses you see and everything. So we're still pushing on. So today I have to finish this place. Yeah. Yo, we are half done. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Guys, so far I'm remaining almost a quarter of it. I feel there's a progress to me. Okay, you might see the weeds on the farm, but still I have to remove them. But one thing I've remembered is this place is not fertile, but okay, it's fertile, but unless you bring your own soil and put some more fertilizer or organic manure, you understand what I mean. So I don't understand, when we planted some nyasi grass, it didn't do well. But once you leave it, like you leave the land, you're not interested in it, you see all sorts of weeds grow. Right now, before I started weeding or digging, I've harvested a lot of terere. If you know it, we call it amaranthus, SPP, maybe amaranthus, but we call it terere here. So I've harvested a lot for maybe dinner or something. Yeah, but I'm almost, there's progress. So let's keep pushing. My husband has met me digging here because he didn't know what I was doing outside. And I was digging like from this side going this way. Yeah, I was from this side going this way. And he told me, you don't dig like that. Like you dig from when you're facing this side. Like I'm facing the camera, I face this side as I dig, like that, coming in front, not going across. I never knew that. Where will I know? How could I have known it? So I've known it today. Let's go. I keep getting tired. Oh, but still I have a mission to accomplish. Now this is the reason to where I want to see if I can set standards for my 2022. If I plan to do something, I do and finish, not leaving it at the middle. So this is the first challenge I want to do. If I can dig all these parts and finish, then I can be able to put like challenges and what do you call them, targets. I can be able to put targets in 2022 and accomplish them. But if I don't manage, that shows I can't put targets on myself. But I want to learn to put targets on things that I want in 2022 to accomplish them. So if I finish this, then I'm good to go. Yeah. So guys, it's 3 hours after I finished farming. My phone went off, so I couldn't have shown you how it went. So that's how it is. Yeah. So I don't want anyone to come fighting me at the, oh Pauline, you didn't finish, there's some things left on the farm. Definitely I'll come remove them. And now I want to do what I want to put here is I want to put another different type of grass. Yeah, that is going to grow well. Maybe I can go along with you and show you the type of grass I want, since the one that I had here failed me. So let me show you what I want to put here. Yeah, this is the type of grass that I want to buy and put it on my place. Like you can see the whole thing, the way it is here. So it has a white stripe at the side, and it's so nice and soft. So this is what I want to put. Yeah, I didn't do anything. Actually, my hands are so tired. I've not done anything. Just left it for tomorrow, and let me hope tomorrow I will be able to do it. Working day. Yeah. I know people will ask me, Pauline, why did you mix? I mixed all this because they're jeans, most of them, and they're trousers. Yeah, so I've been cleaning the whole day. This is the other side of the farm that I told you guys I want to do. I I think I'm going to put kales here and spinach. I love putting greens on these, as I said, because of the sun. But yeah, because you can see I'd already put some terere here and managu. Yeah, so let's hang our clothes. I'm done. I'm so happy. So wow. So guys, let me go prepare some uji, that is porridge, to bring back my energy. Yeah, my day has been so good. Have you ever tried to open a matchbox because you're in hurry? I don't know, in hurry to do what, but everything pours. Now I just feel bad. I'm going to collect all that. I just feel don't like. Okay. Finally! Let me hope I'm not going to pour them again. Let me just hope I'm not going to pour the matchbox. Okay, let's do this. I don't know for how long. I've had these. I think since I went to Uganda. Yeah. So let me prepare some. I'm just preparing porridge for two. So I'm not going to add milk for this case. I love porridge with milk, but I'm not going to add milk for this case. Uji for two. So I didn't have much for today, just farming and relaxing. I'm feeling my hands are so tired. I've got some few blisters in my hands, but I know I will be okay. I will be fine with time. Just wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much for being here with me. It was just a simple one and an easy one. So until the next one, adios muchachos.